This is an instructional video on how to use the Libby app on your mobile device. The first thing we're going to have to do is download the Libby app onto our mobile device. So we'll select the App Store and we'll search for Libby by Overdrive is what we want. When we find it, all we have to do is press Get, and we'll be prompted from here to enter our Apple ID information and password. So once we input that information, the app will automatically start downloading on your mobile device. Then we'll press Open and we'll enter Libby. Libby likes to ask you questions. So right off the bat, she'll ask you for your library card and she'll ask you about your library. You get to choose how you search for your library. Let's just search for our library by entering our library information. So whatever the name of your local library is, just go ahead and type it in, and it should fairly quickly pull up your library's information. So all we have to do is select our library, and Libby will ask us if we prefer to read on a Kindle or if we prefer to read from the mobile device we are using. I'm going to read from this mobile device. And we can enter the library or put in our library information now. Let's just go ahead and enter. So here we are in Libby's library. We get opportunities to browse for titles by genre, by events coming up at our local library. So you get lots of opportunities to find new items that might be of interest to you. If you know what you want, there's a search bar at the top of the app. You can directly input your title here. I'm looking for Devil in the White City. There it is. So I would really like to borrow the audiobook of this title. Let's see, that's the ebook. Here's the audiobook below it. It looks like it's already checked out, so I'll place a hold on this title. It's very easy to place a hold. We just have to press the button, and now it's time for us to input our library card information. So just have your library card number handy and input it whenever it prompts you to enter your card number. Then we'll press Sign In. Now we've placed a hold on the Devil in the White City. We can enter our email address so that Libby will email us, letting us know when the title is checked out to our account. It will automatically check out to us. All right, we did it. In the meantime, I think I also want to borrow the ebook so I can go ahead and start reading now. So I'll click Borrow. And it's so easy. We just have to click Borrow, and it's checked out to us for 14 days. All I have to do is tap the book, and it automatically allows me to enter the book, and I just swipe right, and I'm able to read the pages on the book just from my mobile device. Then when I'm ready to exit, all I have to do is tap, and I'm prompted to go back to the library or to my shelf. Here we see that downloading will automatically happen unless we choose otherwise. This is my shelf. I'm able to manage my loans here and see what all is checked out to me, what all is downloading, when things are due back, and that's how we use Libby.